Let me guess. You've heard of cashback apps before, right? Maybe you even downloaded one, used it once, and forgot about it. That was me too until I figured out how to turn those tiny cashback rewards into rent money. No tricks, no gimmicks, just a different strategy. In fact, for 3 months straight, my rent was covered just by cashback earnings. I didn't use credit card points. I didn't borrow a dime. I simply used my phone and everyday purchases. Here's how I did it and how you can too. Why most people fail with cashback apps. The reason most people never earn anything meaningful with cashback apps is simple. They treat them like coupons. They use them after the fact or only once in a while for groceries or clothes. But when you think like a strategist instead of a shopper, everything changes. 1, I picked the right apps, not the flashy ones. There are hundreds of cashback apps, but most offer pennies and eat up your time. I tested 15 and narrowed it down to 4 that consistently gave real returns. Rakuten, for online shopping, offers cashback at big retailers like Walmart, Target, Nike, and more. Upside, for gas and restaurants. I got up to 25 back per gallon of gas. Receipt Hog, snap receipts from anywhere. Pays small but adds up over time. Ibotta, the king of grocery cashback. I used it for food, toiletries, and home essentials. Pro tip, stack rewards. I used Rakuten with a cashback credit card and with an online promo. Triple rewards for a single purchase. 2, I treated cashback like income, not pocket change. Most people cash out their $10, $20 rewards and spend it immediately. I didn't. I created a separate savings account called Cashback Rent Fund. Every time I earned $3.40 from groceries, $1.75 from gas, $12 from a Target order, I transferred it there. Week after week, it snowballed. Small amounts daily turned into $400, $600 a month. That's not magic, it's compounding attention and consistency. 3, I optimized everything I was already buying. Here's what I didn't do. I didn't buy random stuff just to earn cash back. I didn't go out of my way to spend more. Here's what I did do. Shifted all my recurring purchases online, Rakuten. Filled my tank through Upside partnered gas stations. Scanned every receipt, yes, even for $2 coffee. Bought gift cards through cashback portals before shopping. It added 0 effort to my life, but the returns were real. Real numbers month by month. Here's what my cashback earnings looked like across 3 months. Month 1, 512.37, Rakuten, 198, Bada, 112, Upside, 83, Misk, Receipt Hog, referral bonuses, 119. Month 2, 464.75, similar strategy, used fewer referrals, but better grocery cashback. Month 3, $488.90. Got a bonus payout from Rakuten's quarterly check, plus new seasonal promos. Total $1,065.02. My rent was $465 a month. Yep, I didn't pay a dime out of pocket for 3 straight months. The secret ingredient, referrals and bonuses. Let's be real, cashback alone can be slow, but I unlocked the real money through referrals. Most apps offer $5 to $30 when someone joins with your link. Here's how I boosted mine. I posted tips on Reddit and included my referral links. I made TikToks showing my weekly earnings. I told friends and family after showing my results. I earned over $400 in bonuses from referrals alone. And I wasn't even pushing that hard. My weekly cashback routine: Monday, scan all receipts to Ibotta and Receipt Hog. Fill up gas via Upside. Check Rakuten for any upcoming purchases. Friday, withdraw cashback to savings. Reshare my referral link once week. Total time, less than 15 minutes week. It's not about free money. It's about freeing yourself. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not free money. You're already spending the money. This is about taking back what's being left on the table. And when done consistently, even small rewards turn into something huge. It paid my rent. It gave me breathing room. It proved that being broke doesn't mean being powerless. So next time you toss your receipt or buy something online, ask yourself, did I just miss out on money I could have kept? Because in 2025, smart money isn't always about making more. It's about making the most of what you're already doing.